Young St. Mary couple charged for a handyman's murder. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A St. Mary couple will have to answer to murder charges following the death of a handyman who has been identified as Romain Chin 2 Sundays ago in St. Anne. Chin is said to be the woman's ex-boyfriend. Those arrested have been identified as 23-year-old Damian Thompson, a fisherman, and Felisa Brown, age 27. They are both of Cox Street in Port Maria, St. Mary. Thompson is also of an Ocharia St. Anne address. Reports from the police are that at around 1:10 a.m. on November 19, the couple was at a section of the Costa Drive in St. Anne when Chin, who was from Main Street in Ocharias, came to the location. An argument reportedly developed between the 31-year-old Chin and the woman, and her partner intervened and reportedly used a knife to stab Chin several times. He was taken to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries while undergoing treatment. A report was made to the police on November 26 and they were both charged. A court date is to be finalized for the couple to appear in court. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.